HIMS. Great company, great investment stock. I like it as a long-term play as well. So HIMS beats revenues, beats on EPS, support 38.50, resistance 39.50.40. Bearish to neutral bias, short under MTF and long over that. So what does that mean? So in the pre-market, HIMS was trading under the MTF clouds. So the plan was if it pushed over these clouds, we are bullish. So you have to get long right away. As soon as I saw that HIMS was pushing over that, I told the traders it's an MTF long. A lot of the traders were already long on HIMS because our system had triggered it long. I told the traders that over the 43, it's going to break out. That was a 40-30-19 and it was a breakout this pre-market, this yesterday high. So this was the breakout. So this area later became a support. You can also add versus 40. 40 is your risk. The 46 first target. Second target was 48 and we did hit our 48 target as well. When it pulled back, so this was the yesterday highs. Previous resistance becomes a new support. So this is your pullback level to add. I did tell the trader pullback adds, risk is 41.70. Pullback adds, your risk is right on the 512s. And then resistance was 46. Stops were 44.30. So you long here, take your profits, long back here, do not hesitate, pullback adds, and then I gave the target of 47 right here. It kind of broke down here. That was kind of time to exit, or you can look at this candle or wait. The stops I gave was 45.35. Somewhere here I gave the sports. These stops were hitting. You can get out, but right away it reclaimed from the cloud, and that becomes another long with your stops back at 45.50. Even if you got out, so first long, second long, if you hold, that's fine. And you can also get back in because it was a setup. It's called the cloud reclaim mid of the day. Now when it reclaimed the cloud, then again I gave the target of high of the day. And then I told the traders, once we break high of the day, the next target will be 50. So we go back to high of the day and we hit 50 target as well. Even if you got 42s, by end of the day, in and out, you easily made $8 per share on this. Even if you were trading options today, 45 calls went from $1 to like $5 there, 300-400%. And even if you traded it later, the MTF bounce, you could trade 50 lotos or 47 lotos. So even those later in the day went from $240 to $5. Essentially, even if you were trading with $1,000 in and out, you could easily make 3-4 grand on HIMS trade today. Of course, it's always good with the shares. That's what I prefer. But even for the small account, this was a great trade. Nowhere we were looking to short it. We were only looking to long. We just have to find a good entry. So there's a long at the open, long here, 3 longs there. Beautiful HIMS trade.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.